eyelashes are on. One of them is lopsided. Oh my god, no! Please ignore my hair. Since oh my god, that was disgusting. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been dying to say that. Okay, there's been I realized like a slight gap in when I posted my last video, when I'm posting this one. I will explain that all later. Today I wanted to film my kind of like, I guess like comeback video, as sad as that sounds. I'm on my way to my hometown for a wedding, so I just wanted to film my wedding reception glam for you guys. So this is the look that I did. This is the dress that I'm wearing, if you can see. Just gonna lean back here. So basically it's just like black, has some like flowers on it. So I am using the new Natasa Denona palette today. I forget the name of it. Sunrise palette. Very nice. And so yes, please ignore my hair because I'm pretty sure like it's gonna end up going up anyways. I've just woken up. I am unwell, so yeah, I did my best, but the hair is just it hasn't happened yet. So basically, yeah, if you don't know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So basically why I've been away for so long from filming. I know I didn't even have that many videos up on my channel, but I just had some family stuff going on and I was studying for an exam, and I thought I would just kind of get that out of the way before really committing to doing these videos on a weekly basis, which is what my plan was initially. And I just feel like when you just have a lot on your plate, it just adds to it, and then I just stopped getting enjoyment from actually filming and editing the videos and everything, because I just felt like it was more of a chore when I had all this other stuff going on. So now that that's kind of past and everything, I'm hoping I can get through more of these videos every week and learn how to edit, because I don't really know how to do that. So yeah, that's basically all that happened. But yeah, I'm back, and today I'm going to just basically just do a little kind of like live chat and like get ready and do my makeup. It's Saturday morning I'm still in Toronto, and I have to get ready for a wedding that I'm going to later, a wedding reception for two friends that I've known. Well, one of them I've known since I was, I don't know, maybe grade 2, and the other one since high school, and they've been dating since grade 9, I think. Renee and Vincent, if you're watching this and that's wrong, I'm really sorry. But yeah, so all our friends are gathering for this reception, and yeah, I'm going to be doing my kind of makeup, guest wedding makeup. Yeah, I'm so awkward. Going in with a foundation that's too dark for me, but we're gonna make it work because I put self tanner on. I put self tanner on so my face isn't as dark as the rest of my body. I don't even know if you can tell on camera, but yeah, so I'm just gonna use a darker foundation so it will match the rest of me. Oh wait, oh, it does match. I don't know. I think it does. I think it's fine. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and it is my absolute new favorite. I used to be a big fan of the, oh my god, I don't even remember the name. I haven't used it for so long. Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know how I forgot that, but I used to use that one all the time, and I've switched to this. I honestly feel like it's the same, and it's actually creamier, and you just get so much in this huge bottle in comparison. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a new concealer, I would highly recommend this one, and I just think it just blends like a dream. I use shade Almond, and I just like to be like quite generous with this one. I think it's more of like a sheer coverage in comparison to the Chart. Oh my god, I can't talk. I can't do this. This is so bad. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm like wasting everyone's time, for anyone who's like invested their time to watch my videos. And that means like probably like 2 people from my work and like my mom. So yeah. Okay, next I'm going to do my contour, and I'm using the Tom Ford contour palette. So this one has like a darker shade and then like illuminator. I'm just using kind of like a straight brush gonna draw a line. So I'm just using kind of like a blending brush to buff it out. This is the Sigma F04. Sorry, I'm really bad at those. I'll get better, I promise. And I'm just blending into my forehead. Oh my god, for a second I thought I wasn't even recording. I can't get it together today. This is very bad. I'm really sorry for anyone who's watching this. Okay, I'm gonna set my concealer and under my contour. It's just the Laura Mercier powder, and I've been a really big fan of this double-sided Huda Beauty brush instead of using my beauty blender, so I just kind of like to use this to set everything now. I'm going to fill in my brows with the Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Brow Lift. I'm actually just out of like the Anastasia like dip brow, and I feel like once it gets to a certain point it actually just starts to get really dry, so I haven't used mine in a while and I haven't picked a new one up, so I've just been using this pencil, which has been working fine. So yeah. Okay, we're done with the eyebrows. What do I do next? I forgot. Okay, I'm going to use the new Natasa Denona palette that I used last night, and I love it. Look at these colors. It's absolutely, sorry, I'm like peeking around the camera. It's absolutely stunning. Like I love this palette, and I've only used it once. And I was really debating buying it because I haven't actually bought makeup in a really long time because I spend a lot of money on makeup and I'm just like broke. So it's a moment of silence for my bank account the last like year. It's been very bad. And I don't actually need anything right now, but I got a gift card for my birthday. So then I decided to splurge on this. Thanks, Sanjay, if you're watching this. You're probably not. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so I'm just going to actually mix these two lighter shades here. They're just matte shades. I'm kind of going to just, oh, there's a lot of fallout from the palette. Start in the inner corner, or sorry, outer corner, and I'm just going to blend inwards. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this yellowy color here. It's called Carnelian. I don't know why that took me so long to figure out. It's like very obvious. And I'm just gonna go over kind of like the same spot. I'm just trying to use, and I want to do an eye look that's gonna go with like all the dresses that I'm bringing home, so I can decide what to wear when I get there. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this, oh my god, I can't. It's called Clove, this color. It's like a deep plum, and I'm just gonna put that in on the outer corner here and just pack it on. And I'm gonna eventually blend it inwards. I feel like these colors, like, you just can't mess up. It doesn't matter which ones you put together. It always just looks so good, and by always I mean like the 2 times that I've tried it, but like so far so good. Everything just blends like a dream. Okay, I'm not gonna cut the crease today because I don't want such a dramatic look, because this reception is gonna be outside, so I don't want it to be like really kind of like, well, what's going on with your eyes? So I'm just gonna kind of use this shade that I used first. It's called Morning, and I'm gonna use that almost to cut the crease, just to kind of create a base, and then I'm gonna put the shimmers on top. Just kind of pack it into the corner as if you're cutting the crease, but it's actually just shadow. So now that I have those on, I think it's very subtle, and I'm actually going to maybe put on like one of these pinky shades. So I'm gonna go back in with a bullet brush and I'm gonna pick up that dark plum shade again. I'm just gonna go over the corners. Okay, this is my finished makeup. Oh my god, I don't have lashes on. I cannot do this. I don't know what's going on. My camera's blurring now. This is actually the final makeup look. Okay, it's done. It's done. That was like the biggest struggle of my life. I'm just not getting back into it. One of these lashes is like, oh my god. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think I'm gonna put my hair up. My armpit's really white in comparison to the rest of my body. Gonna put that away. Yeah, I think I'm like for the actual thing tonight, I'm probably gonna put my hair up because having a bad hair day. But this is the finished look. This is the dress that I'm wearing, and I've managed to zip it up, so all is good. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel again. Sorry for the long time spent away. I promised to put more current videos up, so I just wanted to do my wedding reception glam. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!